Welcome to this review of the Klipsch Reference Premiere Subwoofer. If you're in the market for a powerful and immersive audio experience, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the features and performance of the Klipsch Reference Premiere Subwoofer, so you can make an informed decision before making your purchase. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1. The Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1000 SW Subwoofer is an exceptional product that boasts power, accuracy, and speed. With a ceramic 10-inch woofer, a 300-watt Class D amplifier, and a front-firing era full-slot port, this subwoofer delivers deep, immersive bass that is perfect for music and home theater setups. The thoughtful design of the subwoofer includes vibration-isolating feed, a sturdy MDF enclosure with rounded corners, and a scratch-resistant ebony vinyl finish. The RP 1000 SW also features a continuously variable low-pass crossover control, a 0-degree 180 degrees phase switch, and an LFE or RC stereo line input. Additionally, it is compatible with the optional Klipsch WA2 wireless audio adapter kit for easy connection to a sound system. With a maximum acoustic output of 118.5 decibel, the Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1000 SW Subwoofer is a top-of-the-line product that is sure to satisfy even the most demanding audiophiles. Number 2. The Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1200 SW Subwoofer is an impressive product that delivers power, accuracy, and speed. Featuring a ceramic 12-inch woofer, a 400-watt Class D amplifier, and a front-firing era full-slot port, the subwoofer produces deep, immersive bass that is ideal for music and home theater setups. The RP 1200 SW thoughtful design includes vibration-isolating feet, a sturdy MDF enclosure with rounded corners, and a scratch-resistant ebony vinyl finish that looks like real wood. The subwoofer also features a continuously variable low-pass crossover control, a 0-degree 180 degrees phase switch, and an LFE or RC stereo line input. The RP 1200 SW is compatible with the optional Klipsch WA2 wireless audio adapter kit, which allows for easy connection to a sound system. With a maximum acoustic output of 121 decibel and a frequency response of 16.5 138 Hz, the Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1200 SW Subwoofer is a top-of-the-line product that is sure to impress even the most discerning audiophiles. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1400 SW Subwoofer is a powerhouse, delivering deep, accurate bass that stays musical even at high volumes. The 14-inch ceramic woofer and 500-watt Class D amplifier combine to create a sub that can reach all the way down to 16 Hz, making it perfect for home theater setups and music enthusiasts who demand the highest quality sound. The RP 1400 SW is also thoughtfully designed, with a sturdy MDF enclosure featuring rounded corners, built-in vibration-isolating feet, and a scratch-resistant ebony vinyl finish that looks like real wood. It's a big sub at 83.7 pounds, so it's a good idea to have a friend on hand when unboxing and setting it up. For maximum placement flexibility, the RP 1400 SW can be paired with the optional WA2 wireless kit, allowing you to place the sub anywhere within easy reach of an AC outlet and connect it to your receiver or amp wirelessly. Other features of the RP 1400 SW include a front-firing era full-slot port with exclusive internal flare technology for clean, undistorted bass, continuously variable low-pass crossover control, 0-degree 180 degrees phase switch, signal-sensing auto power-on, and LFE or RC stereo line input. Overall, the Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1400 SW Subwoofer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to add deep down bass to their home theater or music setup. With its powerful 14-inch woofer and thoughtful design touches, it's sure to impress even the most discerning audiophile. Number 4. The Klipsch Reference Premiere RP 1600 SW Subwoofer is an impressive addition to any home theater or music system. Its massive 16-inch ceramic woofer and 800-watt Class D amplifier deliver room-shaking bass that's both deep and accurate. It's the perfect complement to Klipsch's Reference Premiere speaker lineup, and the RP 1600 SW thoughtful design touches make it a standout among subwoofers in its class. The cabinet is well constructed with rounded corners and built-in vibration-isolating feet to ensure clean, undistorted bass. The scratch-resistant ebony vinyl finish looks like real wood and adds a touch of elegance to any room. Plus, The optional WA2 wireless kit offers maximum placement flexibility, allowing you to place the subwoofer anywhere within easy reach of an AC outlet and connect it to your receiver or amp wirelessly. With a frequency response of 14.175 Hz and a maximum acoustic output of 125.5 dB, the RP1600SW is capable of handling even the most demanding soundtracks and music genres. The continuously variable low-pass crossover control and 0°-180° phase switch provide precise tuning for optimal performance. And the signal-sensing auto-power on/off feature ensures that the subwoofer turns on and off automatically as needed. At 110.9 pounds, the RP1600SW is a heavy subwoofer, so it's recommended to have a friend on hand for unboxing and setup. But once in place, the subwoofer is a powerhouse that delivers deep, accurate, and room-filling bass that will impress even the most discerning audiophile. With a 5-year warranty, you can enjoy your Klipsch Reference Premiere RP1600SW subwoofer with confidence, knowing that it's backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.